Grabe guys, kainit. Paglabas mo pa lang, ang singot mo tagaktak. Punta kami ng Crocodile Farm. Pero si Anika andun sa lola niya guys. Gusto niya doon umupo. Magtaksi lang kami kasi isa lang man ang sasakyan. Crocodile Farm taya. Oh, humot ang sakyan na ni kuya oh. Ay, grabe kainit man sa Davao eh. Si Anika guys doon sumakay sa kuya ko. Doon sa grandma niya. So dito kayo sa Crocodile Farm. You will finally see crocodile, Daddy. Ngayong hapon po. Oh, cassowary oh. Naka-preserve. Ah, magbayad ta diri. Thank you po. Wow. Hello po, good afternoon.
3:15 po mag-start yung show mamaya.
Ano po?
Ngayon po tayong schedule for guided tour ay 3:15 po.
3:15.
Then 4 p.m. po, meron din po tayong show mamaya.
Okay.
Ayun po, good afternoon.
What animal is that? It's a monkey? What is in here? Boyeta!
Iguana.
Iguana! What's the color of the iguana? Wow!
Iguana din.
It looks like a dinosaur!
You take a picture with
Iguana!
Anika, take picture.
You wanna take a picture?
Green iguana.
Iguana, like dinosaur.
It looks like a dinosaur. Can you see? What's the color of the iguana?
Lifespan in the wild, 20 years. Years in captivity, 30.
It's so beautiful, Nako. Beautiful kayo. Oh, there's a capybara. This is one of the calmest animals. Look, there's a capybara. There's a capybara. Can you see? Lingaw si Anika. Nalingaw na si Anika ma. Wow! It's a capybara! One of the calmest animal biya ni sila.
Si kalmis.
Kanang pinakakalmado na hayop.
Tanawa oh. Langoy-langoy. Baho na oh. Gaw na ang tae nila na.
Oh. Capybara.
Yawaan eh.
There's the wallaby, Anika. Over there. There, inside the greenhouse. Yeah, it's a wallaby. Saan ba na?
Wow. Ah, agila.
Ah, eagle, Daddy. Oh. It's a eagle.
Pagong, tara, dako kayo. Turo!
Ah, yeah. Look, there's a tortoise. Can you see the tortoise? Can you see the tortoise? It's over there. Lingaw ra siya. Tuwa na talaga si Anika.
Yeah, big one. You see the big one?
Ah, there's also small one.
Anika, you see the big one?
Big one. Kawa na padapin na dagko kay mga tiguro.
These are small ones.
Yeah.
Oh, pagkaon.
Tilapia na. Di mo gunagi ka natong tilapia na ginaluto. Ah. This is what is this, Anika?
Sea cow.
Sea cow. Anika, look at the sea cows. Sea cow's bone. Oh, what is that? Cassowary. It's a big bird. There's a big bird. Huh? There's a cassowary. It's over there. Ah, there's the cassowary. Wow. Daddy, this one is a bamboo grass. It's a cassowary. Yeah, it's a orangutan. Yay! Et ko na hanot koskan. We don't have in the Finnish zoo. And now it's there on the other side. Look at the hands. It's like a human hands.
Kuan ba?
Ni hanelo on coxswain eh. Oh. Hi. Hi.
Maina. This is Maina. Hello.
Maina. This is one of the brightest bird. You can teach them how to talk.
Good morning, pangit.
Mabini siya sa pinaka-bright ya.
Talking Maina.
Ni.
Sa palang kay Victoria, palang ng itrain.
Oh.
Maga na eh. Nadakot yan.
That's the one who eats the coffee beans, Daddy, and then they just poop it out, and then the coffee, acidity of the coffee, or the texture of the coffee changes. I don't know how to explain it, but something like that.
Eagle.
Oh, it's a hawk eagle.
Dako pa ni ba? Gamay pa man ni? Rescue din siya ilog eh.
Oh, Daddy, this is a rescue, Daddy, cut, so the feet is cut. Most of the animals here, they were like rescued from the illegal vendors because there are people who try to sell them, but it's illegal to sell this kind of animals.
This is captured. Gamay pa niya mo, dako pa ni. Feel go bigger.
Oh, it only has 1 feet. Oh, there's another snake skin, guys. Ooh. It's sleeping there somewhere.
Ay, kaman ni. Gecko gyapon.
Dili oy snake.
Di gecko na.
Ay, it's another kind of lizard. Ah.
Iguana gyapon.
Oh, look at that.
Monkey oh, monkey.
Itubigan niya ang turtle. Ayan doon!
Oh my God! Nagkuratan ka, sorry!
Ayan doon daw! Bawal na doon!
Naglakad lang man ko!
Ayan, anak sila!
Ning, pero lagi mong naong ni.
Uy, ayaw, ay pretty man yan si Ning Ning. Ah, look, there's turtles!
Ayan doon daw.
Lahat na makita monkey sa gawas, the best thing you do is don't show your teeth to them. Okay? Ayaw mo pagpakita ngipon sila kay pag ang monkeys manggod, maghagit na sila away sila yung monkeys, magpadakanin na sila pangil.
Ayaw daw ipakita.
Magpadakanin sila pangil. Basta
Don't show your teeth.
Smile ka sa ila, ilang una-una na ginaaway na sila matulog.
This is from Philippines, endemic in Philippines. So cool.
One is trying to take a point there.
So cute.
Mindanao deer.
It's a Mindanao brown deer. Tuwa si Anika, guys, kasama mga pinsan niya, guys. Sana i-ano nila, i-change nila ang cage ba. Sa Finlandia, ang mga birds, sobrang malaki yung As in, kasha ang one tree. Like this, oh. Kasha, the whole tree sa isang cage.
Sa Malagos.
Sa Malagos, oo.
Open man sa Malagos. Murag forest na siya.
Look, Anika, on the right side. Can you see the crocodile? There's the crocodile. Huh? A chicken yan? There's a crocodile daddy, oh. Anik, there's so many crocodile fans. Na crocodile. There's crocodile. Look at how they move there on the water. Yeah.
Dito matong kulungan ni Pangil sa una, mandako kayo.
Katong sa Capybara. Wow.
Anika, take a picture with
The food. Yeah, the crocodile open their mouth to cool down their body. It doesn't mean they're waiting. Wow! Ooh. Ooh, wow. Oh, the sounds. Ah, they're fighting! Ay, they're fighting! They're fighting!
Kana sila, dili na mo ginagawa ang pang-crocodile lechon. Kabalo mo ang karne sa buhaya, mas healthy sila sa karne sa...
Akit na siya! Akit na siya!
Look, the crocodile is climbing!
So, dili ka mahiglat sa karne. Mahiglat sila sa presyo nila.
Dari dahil ang panglechon. Ah, ito dito rin.
Pag-lechon yung buhaya, dili na mo gina-apil ang ilang panit. Yung panit ginagamit siya for letters.
Ah.
Ang panit guys, mura may nag-urog bako sa mga dahil.
Kuya, okay, Jill, no?
Dili na mausap, dili na kayo mausap.
Can you imagine how many crocodiles are there inside? Oh my god, this one is also moving. Hadlok. Ani ka, tanapan. There's another one in here that is so big. Dito pala na cage kinukuha yung pang crocodile lechon nila, pero kapag nag-lechon daw, hindi sinasali ang skin kasi they use it for some other purposes.
leathers, shoes, bags.
It's so tough. This is where in this cage, this is where they get the meat for crocodile lechon. Like yesterday, we have the baboy lechon. They can also roast the entire crocodile. There's so many of them. Wow.
Tangin kaning niya, di ba? Tanagong ito.
Oh, ba na diha ah?
Manang kids pang ito, kinadakan niya.
Uy! Kaman to.
Nay batong na iyang matarog.
So scary.
Bugok dito. Uy!
Lay! Ayaw lay! Lalay! No lalay! No lalay!
Oo, ikaw niya, oy. Kaya gawin ulit ito dili. Happy kakak.
Ay, gwapo ka. Kung pikak picture kaya nakakunin lang nakabuka din. Dito kay pikas.
Wow! This is a male peacock. The male peacock is more beautiful than a female peacock because the male attracts the female. Ah, wala na.
Pag babae,
Bukad ba?
kaya, di ba, English sa babae
Bukad
na
na.
hen. So, hen, babae, peacock.
At tinatawag mo yung anak
Ang
ay
lalaki
sabi.
lang na yung kanina feather guest ang babae.
Nanguwag na, nanguwag.
Ay. Unsa? Magawas man aron tura na. Dura.
Na may lion din, may tiger. Manya laga ni Kwan.
Tanaw siya. Ha?
Tiger.
O si Singson.
No, tong
There's the albino one as well.
albino tiger. Napo sila lion.
Is this Mika something naling feeder?
I don't know what kind of
What
tiger
tiger?
is this.
I don't know.
I don't know as well. There's a lion there inside. The lion is on the other side.
Ay, white na tiger sa
Narito,
Pinas.
Anika! Come you sit down with grandma.
lioness ni babae man ni. Babae ni ka.
Panthera Leo.
Di man di ka musaka dito.
Pwede mo sa sas.
Pwede mo ka musulod, you want?
Lahi, ayaw lahi.
Anika, you try. You put in your hand. No, not like that.
Put your hand. Yeah, like this all, cut this all, like this all, like this all, like this.
Wow!
Yeah, you try with your hands. Yeah.
This is the replica of Lolong.
Anika. Then
Anika, you put your hands.
you put your hands like this.
Put hands in the water. Put hands in the water. Wow! Anika, tudloy ya, ibutang imong kamot.
You put no, you cannot bite. You just put there. No, you put there. You put there.
Ilagay sa imong kamay ning.
No, you put like this.
Yo, sa kaning.
Is Anika scared? Are you scared?
Don't be scared. He will not bite you. Put there. Put. No.
Ay,
Put your hands.
scared siya, ya, scared.
You just get them. Just get them. Ikaw, gusto ka?
Dili ko, piniko lang.
Try lang, lumigo ba? Gilok mo sa kamot, El. Gilok mo sa kamot, try lang. Kaya, ako yung video, be.
No, you can't take it.
Ako yung video, be. Watch, Anika,
Okay lang si Nico.
You try, okay. Try, okay.
You need to try tattoo one.
Try sa Jill. Ikaw daw, Jill. Bigay ko ka video, Jill. Video ako. Oh.
Come.
Idipi mo ang kamot. Lingkod ka, Jill. Sama kay, para kay Tito Glenn.
Ayaw kay basta, bro.
Dili man.
Napa isa. Is it ticklish?
More.
Jill, para pa rin sa daw, Jill. Kuha na ko sa Jill.
You put there. Bigay siya. More. I have more. Last one. You dip your gel. Yeah, like this. Okay.
Yan, Osti.
Give me the garbage.
Ning! Dali na, Ning!
I didn't mean to take him out.
You still feed him.
That's fine.
You're scared.
Go over there.
Sabi niya kung tumboy yung dala. Mas may nalaki mo dala kasi tumboy sabok na tumboy yung dala. Sige lang mag-meeting ato.
Balo lagi ka.
Oh, kitik lang pa yung bulan. Hindi ba ko tig-walking no.
Sige dapat tanaw daw sa mga unsa na be. Unsa na siya? Unsa na siya?
Hot chocolate.
Cold chocolate?
Tilawan si mama, tilawan si mama.
Patilawan daw ko be.
Tilawan si mama kung sa'y lasa sa pure chocolate.
Lami ah.
Lami ito. Ang gusto lami kayo doon kaysa nang sigawas.
Ano daw pala daw kay ko?
No. Lami na.
Namula ka.
Na, lami na.
Lami kayo.
Init kayo.
Oh, malit na.
Dagdag pa, dagdag.
You want? Oh, you want? Ikaw, Jel?
Yung hurot og tilaw ni.
May look.
Lami, gusto ka? Duha pa daw yan.
Lami lang padre, ilang 2.3 eh.
Laptop. May look.
Oh, duha ka buok.
Kaya inanay ka mga timpla pala.
Lami.
Oh, no probs.
Pwede po na kuha, pero gamaya lang ako ag ice. Daghana og kuan. Ha? Ha? Katunga lang akong ice ya. Para daghan kog mainom.
Isabok ice. Isabok ice.
Isa ka buok ice ya.
Init.
Hey, init kay Jill. Grabe, paningot ko si Anika. Ana din ng sekreto sa ilang tsokolate, oh. Tableya gid siya.
Lami gani.
Pure good na siya, ma'am.
Tableya?
Dahil tableya balik adre lami.
Oh?
Dahil mo pindan. Lami isa.
Wala siya, ma'am. Creole yung seasoned native na ito.
Ah, very good. Native good diri sa tuwa sa Davao. Ah, very good sa kuan, Digos. Gamaya lang ako ag ice ha. Kanang tulo lang ka buok.
Ay, patay, oy.
Para daghan kog mainom.
Ano mo na, kasi tayo sa Binturoy, ma'am.
Nagdayo lang ko ang ice, di ba namin na makita? Lala pala to ng kuya ko, guys. Sarap ng chocolate drink nila.
So, same lang gapon ka, tam isa na, ma'am.
Oh, same ka dami
Same lang.
Pinili kami.
Nael, mong tamis doon po, di na po malapit.
Basta ha, kung ice, konti lang ha. Bantay ka, kuya.
Nagkuhan na sila dito sa ostrich.
Dahil lang.
Ha?
Dahil lang.
Pinili sila? Wala.
Wala oy.
Naamay ostrich feeding.
Gusto mo ano?
Ano ko?
Wala ba sila ipakaon?
Nagawin ng candy. Dapat sa mo.
Nagpicture mo sila na ano naman sila.
Mehe.
Nakaputo lang TLL oh.
Ay, naputo lang yan, tiil.
Pires
Asa? Karanda ko?
Ang wild boar na to ya ba kay gamay lang siya compare sa finish. Ang finish bitaw na wild boar dagko kayo uy.
Ito ang isa nga wild boar.
Murag kuan yung nadakadaka ng kataasa ng ostrich.
Wild boar pa ba yan? Ang dagang kayo.
Kaya gani pero gamay siya.
Babae na.
Compare sa finish na wild boar ba dagko gyud siya.
Mas dako pa ang baboy.
Gusto ko pang baboy. Kanang anay. Wait kami guys ng aming
Vlog po ko sa akong TikTok.
chocolate drink. Yay!
Hindi mo
Thanks!
mamamit lang. Open ako lang.
Okay. Alright. Straw.
Thank you ah.
Up, yeah.
Ang sarap ng cold chocolate drink nila, guys.
Kali ko itong pilay pakita el. Pilay nga ba?
Ay, hala, oo. Ay, napilay siya.
Putol yan tiil.
Ay,
Trap na
ano.
Gitrap sa niya, girescue na.
Pumba was born in the forest of Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur, and was a victim of illegal poachers. When he was young, he was caught into a trap set by the poachers, which badly injured his leg. Ay. Bago lang pala ni siya, July 2023. Rescued. Oh, kaluoy po niya, oy. Meh. Cute, oy, ka-cute. Sana di Ajel? Ay, ostrich. No.
Utangag ko na niya, takbo ka.
Hindi man mo.
Hi.
Hi. Libra.
Hi. Ano, wala naman na siya balahibo.
Ana, nangarol na, manok pa na, nangarol.
Ah.
Ito ba balik? Wala ito, ito balik. Nangarol na sila. Mag-change na pala ito.
Ay, nag-change?
Pati mahalas karne yan eh.
Ang itlog po daw na mahal.
Sabi ito, ganito, baligya. Ano yung shell na lang ba?
Gani.
You want?
No, don't feed the animals that way.
Parang guwapo.
This was so cute.
Nagay, kilos na isprot tagmamiging.
Ha?
No, nagay.
Just try. It's a chocolate from here, Mindanao. It's very good, right?
Sweet.
Masarap, guys. Nagpunta kayo dito, try nyo to.
Okay naman pick up.
Oh, this is where we...
Look at the bat. It's there hanging very close.
Ito ka, no? Seems like a human being. Kani.
Look at this one, Daddy. Oh.
Ano ka, no? It's just a vampire.
Yung makita. Oy.
Di ka kapokus na.
Hindi mo na yung zoom.
Dito na i-zoom sa ano? Sa computer na, mag-zoom na.
Ikat lang sa ikat. Where's Anika, ma? Tito Glenn is eaten by the snake! Oh no! Oh no! Anika, let's take a picture of Anika.
Picture again! Oy!
Anika! You go there inside! No, you don't like her. Look siya. She's scared.
Diba, picture of buhaya o ba? No worry, it's not hungry. It's already full.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's not hungry. Yes.
Jen, video isa Jen, video picture.
Ano na?
Di kan dito ba tanaw ba? Di kan dito.
Ay, my God! No! No! It's a big snake, Anika. You touch it.
Nico, you hold.
Ha? 2 hands?
Oh, 2 hands.
Kayo lahat.
It's fun.
Gilok ko na siya.
Nico!
Gilok ko, dili gina.
Nico, maybe Anika can hold.
Gunit lang. Gunit lang. Dili lang, move na lang na siya. Dili sa kan.
Di, kuya.
Dili lagi okay lang gina.
Touch daw ning, i-touch ning. I-touch ning. Nak, ano purista? When 2 hands noin.
It's a very.
Yeah, look here. Ate, 1, 2, 3.
Touch the snake. Anika, look
One more. Ate.
Anika, look.
No, it's escape. One more.
Hindi ko kinalo.
One more.
Kuha na, oy.
Nalubot na.
Yeah.
Ate.
Mana sa camera? Nani, diba?
Tatlo ka eh.
Hadlo ka pra na, oy.
Nico, good?
Tara, dili.
Uy, di ko mahadlo ko, oy. Oh my God. Are you not scared?
That's it.
Yay, so scary. Daddy,
Wala na plastic yan. Gunit na gudana. Wala
dili
plastic.
ko, no.
That's not plastic.
It's not plastic, it's real. It's like plastic kakaron, it's real na.
Wala na
Wala siya
plastic.
plastic.
Wala siya plastic.
See, it's touching.
Itan lang good.
Yo, Kuya will take it now. Thank you, Kuya. Yeah.
Go.
Ay.
Saligo.
Want to escape.
Saligo. But it's saligo.
Kasi ligo. Yay! Crocodile dancing. Oh my God, it's so big. How many kilos is this? Bali na sa sila sa pikas. bata ba? Ah! Tayo nakadaog! Woo! Dito,
PSI. Compared to us humans, which we only have 162 PSI. Crocodiles don't chew their food. They swallow their food whole, or they cut it into multiple pieces.
Hindi mag-volunteer din ha?
Crocodiles don't need to chew their food.
Nico, you want to volunteer?
Big chunks of meat and bones. And this is also the reason why they can survive for a long period of time without eating. The only material that they cannot digest is keratinous part, which is hairs and nails. Now that's our big crocodile encounter, and to all of our guests. We would like to
alternating waving of arms, or the basic movement of this dance. Kapangala is commonly performed at weddings and other social gatherings. Once again, Kapangala.
Anika! Step heart, Angel! Daddy! Daddy, look! Daddy!
Last and final call.
Grabe guys, ang init!
We would like to invite
Si Mama Paula.
Bonnie and Sir Magati Boys. Alright, okay, isa pa, one more. Yeah. There you go. Now guys, as part of Beauty's enrichment, Cactus loop in branches as a form of exercise and playing around to ease their easy handsome. Pogi ba si Kuya Michael Mapolo? Wow.
Yes!
Your cameras, mabilis lang to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also
Sa Super Seafoods,
Kung kaya ni Barat mag-segregate ng basura. Sorry, wait, bagay ni Barat. Ang bagay sila. Okay na ba? Side or back, or thinking at your foot. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items from marching point. Left, right, left, and bump. Out, fly. Okay, what's the word?
Fly.
Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and...
Fly.
More energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Alam mo bang ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Jimar, Kuya Richie? Ready ba ang ating mga kalaw na, folks? Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Oh, wow! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, no guys. Yeah, there you go. Let's go, folks. That is Barat, our blue and gold na cup with Kuya Michael. Okay, Michael, may pag-3-6 sa ating mga kilos. 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So, ganyan po. Kalapad ang kanyang mga pagpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sinakas po. Palapakan po natin. Ibibihin natin ito si Pagaspas, guys, ha? Medyo may pagka-shy type kasi ito siya, folks, ha? So, ibibihin lang natin, guys. Alright, now, boy, Pagaspas at there you go. Now, folks, once they're in flight, they will lock on and find on their target. Talents first. Viewing muna again. If you want to take some photos or videos or animals. Our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Halianthus locogaster. Loco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why we call them the
Kain tayo dito guys sa River Walk. Kasi gustong matikman ni Nico talaga yung kanilang crocodile. Mga pamangkin kasama natin. Close na pala guys. So, punta tayo ng Vista View kasi doon tayo kakain ng crocodile meat. Wala na sila dito. Partner lang sila. Doon sana kami sa Riverwalk pero wala na daw. Oo. Dito tayo kakain guys sa Vista View. Wow, it has very nice view in here. Is it nice? Is it nice?
No, I need to go there and
Kaya, ba ni si Mama te? Kaya ni mo? Ah, okay. Doon si Mama dadaan sa ano guys, kay hindi niya kaya ng stairs. Ah, wow! It's nice, no? Wow! Yeah, that's Samal Island. Yeah, the opposite island. So nice. Ah, nice. Wow. Wow. Daddy, come on, Tanapan. Anika, Febheart. Wow! Overlooking Davao, guys. So beautiful. Na-amaze si Nico, as in, ando no, nagbi-video. So beautiful. Grabe kaganda ng Davao, guys, pero sobrang traffic. Sana matapos na yung bridge dyan, oh. Bigyan na nila ng fun para hindi maging traffic. So nice the road, guys, oh. Wow, Davao. Is it nice, Daddy? Nice kaayo, guys. Nalingaw mo si Nico ang video. Nice. O, diba, guys? Punta kayo ng Davao. Ang ganda ang Davao, guys. And it's also the one of the cleanest. This is the forest, Nico. Can you see it? It's so beautiful. It's a jungle. It's a jungle, Daddy. Oh.
Crispy papa.
Ay! You taste this one, ha?
With the seeds?
No, but you...
No seeds.
Huh? Let's remove the seeds. Odota. Okay. Sige, you try. Everything, ha?
It's not bad.
It's not bad? No. It's not sour?
No, actually it's quite sweet.
Ah, it's sweet?
Kind of like do we have something like alcohol?
Bitaw, tamis bitaw. Wala man siya nagpingit. Abi ko I thought you will be like that.
No, this is like a citron.
Citron na, mais talisa.
This is like a citrus.
You like it? We can make a calamansi juice.
We put that for the juice. I mean, not for all, but
We can make calamansi juice with this.
And we put the fish that's like salmon.
Ne. Mais ta. It's good? It's good. Good man di ay. Very good. Naghimo ng calamansi juice si
Little bit
Anita.
like acid.
Yeah, it's good for your throat. We can make calamansi juice.
Okay.
This is palayok, Daddy. It's a clay pot. It's traditional clay pot.
In other words, I love you. Ba-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. In other words, oh my, oh, can I find you?
Tagain siya, Jill. Ah, okay. Is it good? Crocodile meat? Does it taste very well? Si Anita. Ala, sige kit-kit. Ala, sige kit-kit-kit. Baboy. Ang baboy. Ang baboy.
Ang baboy, ang baboy.
Timuot makanik, eh.
Oras yun na yung ikaw. Huwag ka ng script.
Kit-kit sila niya.
Kit-kit-kit.
Maraming siya si Happy.
Agoy, agoy, pati ang batis na puro na mantika. Agoy.
Patay kasi yan.
Awa na, gipa. Lotion. Use tissue ni Kai.
Isa pa tissue.
Kahimuot mo nga.
Let me please on this star.
Ang ganda. Grabe ka ganda. Dito overlooking, guys. Pero mas maganda yung viewing deck doon kasi mas makita talaga siya na maayos. Hala, guys. Picture, guys. Punta kayo dito sa Vista View Davao. Sobrang sarap ng food nila. Saka masarap din yung view, of course. Si Nico is andun, oh. Sama si Pia Glenn. Enjoy ni Nico ang view as in. Nice kaayo, guys. Sobra, oh. Ito yung top part ng restaurant nila. Diba? Sobrang ganda. I love Vista View Davao. Ganda, oh. Tapos pagkakain kayo, guys, may magharana sa inyo. Kanina may nagharana sa amin. Paglisod si Mama, uglak ka sa hagdanan. Daddy, that's a catfish.
This one is a catfish.
It's catfish or hito.